Hey guys, I am Preeti and you are watching this video on whose eyes are searching for you. So in this video we are going to see whose eyes are searching for you, and it can be just anybody. We are not going to stick to just humans. We can also we might also delve into some animals that may be searching for you. And so these are the different options. I don't know what's going on in these cards, so you just have to be open about knowing whose eyes are searching for you. I will be describing to you what kind of person or what kind of personality that person or that animal has, and based on the personality traits that I share with you or anything else that I get from these cards, you will be able to figure out whose eyes are searching for you. Definitely you will be the ones who will be knowing the answer. Okay, I can just give you hints. So there are going to be several hints that are going to be laid down in all of these different cards. Okay, so let's get started. I will be putting the all these four options in just a little bit. How you have to select these options, you have to focus on all of these four different options which I will be showing to you in just a little time. You have to focus and you have to see which of these four options attracts your attention the most. Okay, so that is how you will have to select. So let's get started with the first option. Okay, so just in case if you had chosen this pendulum, then let's get started about whose eyes are searching for you. Okay, first of all, this is a kind of person. Now this is a kind of person that can be a workaholic, and this person can be workaholic who likes to work in a very fast manner. They are not slow in their movements, they are very, very fast in their movements. So it can be this kind of person that this person is searching for you. Their eyes are searching for you. Okay, and events moving at a fast pace, delays are over, many things happening at once. So maybe this can also be a person who was waiting for you since very long to meet up with you, to contact you, to have friendship with you, or to have a relationship with you. And this person has been waiting for very long, and now this person feels that now is the time, and so their eyes are searching for you. Many things happening at once. Okay, so also this also points out to that whenever you meet somebody, whenever you are meeting that person whose eyes are searching for you, there is this little sign that you can actually catch on. The sign is that a lot of different things start happening as soon as you meet this person. You know, things are not steady, things are not stagnant. You know, nothing is like smooth and peaceful. Now I know that smooth and peaceful are positive words, but nothing is like slow and steady. It's like very, very fast, very dynamic, and things just rush in and rush out very, very quickly. So these are the different things that you have to look on to if you want to know who this person is. Okay, so anywhere around this person you will have this kind of atmosphere that everything is like moving at a very fast pace. The second thing, this person is a very creative person. Okay, recognition for very high quality work, be a team player. So this person is a very creative person, and this person might have a very good team. And this team can be, because this is just in the terms of earning money, still we are getting into like team. Who can be a team? A family can be a team, colleagues can be a team, your neighbors or your friends, all of them can be a team. Okay, so all of these people are together, they are like acting as a team, and this person is very creative, whose eyes are searching for you. Okay, recognition of very high quality work, be a team player. So this person, wherever this person is, this person has very good family. Okay, now they are not always surrounded by their team or surrounded by their family, but wherever they are always you are aware that they have a good circle, they have a good team. It can be a team of colleagues, family, friends, neighbors, or any the people in their area who collectively they are like a good team. Okay, this person is also somebody who is very stable emotionally. This person has good amount of emotional control, and this person usually shows off their emotions very easily. Okay, they show off their emotions very easily, and this is a person who has always told you that how they feel about you. It can be anybody, it can be a person, it can be a person who is a potential partner or who was your partner in past, or this can be some relative or friend or anybody. Okay, and this person whose eyes are searching for you, I think this person has created a lot of blockages for them that they cannot come close to you. Okay, maybe they might be too much in love with you, they might be too much fond of you, and they might be feeling that you are not comfortable with their feelings, with them having a lot of feelings about you, which is why they have built a blockage, that blockage, it doesn't allow that they come towards you. Okay, they have actually purposely blocked their way, that the way that comes towards you, just because they know that you may not be comfortable with them showing off their feelings. Okay, but your path, how you go towards them, is also open. That path is already open, and you might actually, you have all the chance, you have all the means that you can reach out to this person. Okay, so this person is searching for you, and you can just think about who is not meeting you. Okay, who is avoiding you, who is avoiding to meet you, who is staying away from you. Okay, that person is searching for you. You may say, what kind of search is this? At times people, they do this because they don't want that they disturb the course of your life. Okay, so maybe they feel that because of their emotional connection with you, what they feel emotionally for you, that might actually disturb you. Okay, so this is why they don't like to chase you. Okay, the next part is, this is somebody, this is a person who is working on their spirituality, and this person can be a very spiritual person, and this person can also be somebody who loves animals. Okay, this person loves animals in general, whose eyes are searching for you, and they are favorite amongst animals. Any kind of animals they can connect very well with. They are very spiritual, they connect with animals very well, and this is the person, this person actually dreams that you go close to them. Okay, they are dreaming that you go close to them, and somehow you meet up, somehow you have a relationship. So this is what they dream about you. Okay, so this is the person who is searching for you. Okay, whose eyes always keep searching for you. And also, let me tell you, there are certain animals also that keep searching for you. It can be the birds that you regularly feed, and certain animals to whom you give food regularly. Okay, so yes, a lot I feel for birds. Birds might be searching for you because you have developed a good connectivity with some birds. It might be possible, and also with certain animals. Okay, where you feel that you constantly need to be in touch. They usually come out to have a look at you, and they usually come to meet you. Okay, so this is the reading for you, and I hope that you like this. Let me know in the comments how did you like this reading. Okay, let's move on to the next reading. So just in case if you had chosen this option, then let's see whose eyes are searching for you. Okay, so searching for you, this person who is searching for you, it can be that this is a female. There are a lot of chances that this person is a female who is searching for you. Now it can be, as I said earlier, it can be anybody, your friend, your potential life partner, your colleague, or somebody who is close to you. I also feel it can be somebody who has some vile intents towards you. Okay, somebody who feels that you are their enemy, and it is actually very weird. And because, but yeah, they do feel this way, and they are searching for you. You know, a female who has some negative intention for you, they are searching for you. This person is searching for you. This is somebody who has been very stressful. Okay, so maybe they might be considering that the stress in their life has come because of you. Also, this can be a person that they are very very stressed, and because of that stress they feel that you are somebody who has forgotten them. Because they have so many problems, you are going away from them, or you don't care about them anymore. This is what they feel, and they are feeling very hurt that, you know, that in the bad time that they are having, you have actually gone far. That is why they are searching for you. You know, they have this negative villainous streak within them, which somehow, you know, it somehow isn't comfortable to look at. You can see this woman, you know, how she is staring, and somehow yes, it does feel that it's kind of negative. And yeah, you know, then this woman is again, you know, there is this woman, and I feel that this woman wants to hurt you. In some way, this woman wants to hurt you, or even if she does not hurt you, she wants to question you, or she wants to have a verbal argument with you that why you are not there with her. Okay, so that is what she wants to know. The next part here is this is the thing the card says, that somebody, yeah, this person can be very creative. Again, we are talking about the same person, and maybe it can be more than one person that are searching for you, because I see two different type of people we are talking about in this reading. Okay, so this person can be a very creative person, and this person also feels, or you can be a very creative person, and this person is just feeling that, you know, you have forgotten them because you have become such a workaholic. You are so engrossed in your work that you have forgotten them. Okay, and they are just standing there and staring at you. They are just thinking how actually they can avenge themselves, how they can overcome whatever is happening. So maybe, you know, this woman can be also your very good friend, and just because she is feeling ignored, she is feeling left out, which is why she is not in a good mood, and she is totally here to take some revenge. That she feels that the stress she is having is because of you, or she is also feeling that whenever you were stressed out, she was always there to release you from that stress. She was always there to help you to come out of problems, but now when she is in problems, you are not there with you. Okay, she might feel that way. The next part is as I said, you know, that I do see that there are women who are, not lot of women, but yes, one woman. It can be more than one woman also, and it just shows that, you know, one of the women, you know, one of the person does not have good intentions about you, and they are just very cold and very we can say it, they're heartless towards you, especially, you know, towards you. And they are something that they are like looking out for taking revenge somehow. I don't know, somehow this revenge thing is coming very clearly from the cards. So maybe she is out there to take a revenge, and her eyes are searching for you. Okay, you can be a man, you can be a woman, you can be anyone, but there is this woman whose eyes are searching for you. Okay, the next part is amplify your positive emotions. Okay, so also there is, again, you can see there is this girl, and she is in water. And what is happening, she is standing in water, and the water is just rippling out. So the kind of emotions that you have, that kind of emotions are going to, you know, you are going to send out in the universe. And the cards suggest that you need to amplify only positive emotions, because from all these different cards that I see here, it can be that you have this tendency, or yeah, not you, but this woman has this tendency to send out some negative vibrations, send out some negativity towards you. And yeah, or it can also be the other way, it can also be the other way, that somebody in whose life you have created stress knowingly or unknowingly, that person's eyes are searching for you. Okay, that is one thing. The second part is maybe if you feel that it is, you have taken away something from somebody, your work, especially the work you are doing, you might have taken away that work, you might have you might have been chosen to do a project over somebody else, and that person who could not handle the project with you, that person's eyes are searching for you. Okay, and it is very important that the person who is kept devoid of something here, this person will have very vile intentions and very negative mindsets, for which you need to be aware. You cannot stay unaware of this, because this person is on the, their eyes are searching for you. They can either attack, they can either avenge, they can either take some kind of revenge, or they can play a cold war with you. Okay, which you need to just be careful of, and you need to stay aware of. And there are, this is something that the cards are saying. And okay, now if you feel that you have taken away something from somebody knowingly, okay, then maybe confessing and asking for forgiveness is the best thing, and asking them to take whatever they feel is their right. But there are certain things that you may have done which you don't even know, and somebody else is blaming you for that thing. And sometimes it can apply that you have done something wrong, but at times you might not have done anything wrong, but people just feel that you may have done something wrong to them, just because they are in that negative mindset, and the negativity, it just takes them away. It just keeps going on and on if you listen to the negative thoughts. So that is what is coming for them. Okay, so this is what the cards are saying, and I hope that you like this reading. Let me know in the comments, how did you like this reading? Okay, now let's move on to the next option. Okay, so just in case if you have chosen this option, then let's go ahead and see what the cards have to say. Okay, so first of all, the cards, there is somebody around you whose mind is very unsteady. Okay, this person's mind is very unsteady. They are feeling trapped, they are feeling under illusion, and they feel that they are kind of in a house arrest. And so this person's eyes are searching for you. Okay, also this person can be on a kind of, they might be in a recreational mode, they might be resting, or they might have responsibilities which makes them stay indoors. Those indoors can be within the four walls of the house, or within the office, okay, or anywhere else where this person is feeling trapped. Okay, so yes, so this is what they are feeling. And so this is also a person who is a very good leader. Okay, this is a very good leader. He is very very structured and disciplined person, somebody who has some good rules and regulations to work upon, who is like very, very strict in following rules and regulations. So you need to know that. The next is potential gateway and seek beauty. Okay, so this person can be somebody who is very good at heart, or somebody who considers that you are very good at heart. Okay, it can be either of these things. But if this person is good at heart, this person is going to be very loving towards animals and humans alike. Okay, they are very good towards the animals as well as humans. And if you are very good at heart, they usually appreciate you, that you are very good towards the animals and mankind in general. Okay, so that is this person. Seek beauty. So this person can be who seeks beauty. They see beauty in everything, or they feel that you are very beautiful. Okay, see, I'm trying to cover the maximum scenarios so that I can be clear. So they feel that you are really beautiful, or in general they see at everything from a perspective where they find everything is beautiful. Okay, so yes, the next part is, okay, this person might be in love with you. Okay, yeah, I do feel this person is in love with you, and so there are chances that this can be a potential partner. Maybe you might be married, or you might not be married, or you may be committed, but this person is somebody who considered you very very strongly in past. You know, they considered that you are some very very you are a potential partner. You can actually be very good partner for them. You were their choice. So this is what they feel. And you know, I also feel they waited for you for a long time. They also waited that if you already had, even if you had a partner, even if you had a committed partner, or somebody to whom you were married to, still they expected that you were somebody who could go to them, who would leave their partner and go to them. This is what they felt. Their eyes are searching for you. Yeah, this is how much they loved you. And now they are like, they are very much on their own. Now they don't show any kind of emotions, they don't show any kind of feelings towards you, but yes, they are just on their own. And this person is single. Okay, this person is single whose eyes are searching for you. And I also feel that they also try to pretend. Okay, because this guy's eyes are closed and this person is trying to pretend that they are not looking at you. But definitely the reading that we are looking on is whose eyes are searching for you. So maybe in front of you, on your face, they never try to show their feelings, they never try to show that they are looking at you. But also at the same time, when you are not watching, when you are not paying attention, they are definitely looking at you. Okay, this is somebody who talks about their karma, or paying off their karmic baggage, something like that. So this is what they talk about. And this person, you know, from what I see from all these cards, I feel that this person used to love you a lot. This person used to love you very very deeply, and somehow maybe, you know, your union could not happen. You could not get along with each other, or just things did not turn out well, that your relationship could not happen, it could not fructify. So yeah, so this is how, you know, that person just got off the bandwagon from your life. And but they do have feelings, they still have feelings for you, and they will, I think they might continue to have feelings for you. Okay, their eyes are searching for you. Okay, and this person is somebody whom people used to consider as they are insane, because from the amount of feelings they had for you, people started considering that that person is insane. Okay. Yeah, so that is it for this reading. I hope that you like it. If you have liked this reading, let me know in the comments. And yeah, so now let's move ahead. So just in case if you had chosen this option, it's the Rudraksh Mala. So if you had chosen that, so let's go ahead. The first thing, okay, let's see what the cards are saying. The cards say that this is a person who appreciates money. This is a person who appreciates money, and this is also a person who is into business. Okay, so yeah, you can actually clearly know whether they are doing a business or a job. I feel up to a huge extent that this person has their own business, important documents and contracts. Okay, or maybe they might be on a job which is on contract. Okay, so yeah, the next part is release Archangel Ozrael. Okay, so this card says that it can be your ex, you know, this can be your ex, or it can be somebody from whom you are divorced. the end of a phase or a situation, spiritual transformation, time to move on. Okay, so yes, this does show that you either were in a relationship with this person and then you broke up. Their eyes are searching for you, and once they broke up from you, some kind of spiritual transformation they went through, and and then they actually moved on. Okay, it does show that they moved on, but yet this reading shows that their eyes are searching for you. Okay, the next part is be true to your heart. Being true to your heart, the first card, it says, this person can also be into crystals. This person can also like music very much. This person also likes traveling, and their eyes are searching for you. Okay, be true to your heart. And what the card is saying, be true to your heart, this card also, it points out that they were very true to their heart. They always tried to be very honest with their feelings. They never tried to fake it, they never showed any fake emotions towards you. Whatever they talked with you, whatever they used to converse with you, it always used to be very their feelings that were true to their heart. Okay, so that is there. This see, it clearly matches. It fits very perfectly, because here it says that this person did not this person never this person actually never lied to you. They were never false towards you. Whatever they felt, they usually admitted it to you right away. Be spontaneous, and they were actually very spontaneous. The moment they felt anything, they actually used to share it right away with you. And whatever they felt like sharing, whatever they felt like talking, they usually did it with you. They never kept anything back. They never held themselves back. Whatever they did, it was like truly from their heart. It was truly their feelings. And why I'm saying it this way, because you may actually doubt whether they actually had feelings for you or not. But yes, they did have feelings. And it does say that whatever they shared with you whenever they were with you was truly truly from their heart. So this is the person who was very true to their heart in the past, who might be your ex, or with whom it can always not be the ex. It can also be somebody in whom you were like a friend or any other relation, but now this person has moved away from you. They have moved to a different location, or the paths are changed. You are at a different path, they are at a different path, which is why you guys are not able to connect. Okay, this is a person who shows that this person is very, very intelligent. This person is very intelligent. They are very good at catching lies. Okay, so if somebody lies to them, they are very easy. They can very easily catch hold of the lies that somebody is telling them. The next is, this person was with you at the time that was uncertain for you, and maybe it was a time when it was uncertain for both of you, when both of you did not have a job. This is the time when both of you came close to each other, and you used to share dreams and ambitions and the pain of not having a job or not working. So this is somebody with whom you shared all your feelings while you did not have a job. And maybe now, as both of you have a job, both of you have different paths. This is why it can be that your paths are changed and you are not with this person anymore. You don't get to meet this person more often. This person is searching for you. Again, the same thing is here, that because some change happened, because some transformation, not exactly transformation, it can be that you are in a different country and your friend or whomsoever this person is, that person is in a different country, or you got a different job and that person got a different job. Both settled down at different places, which is why it is it became very difficult for both of you to meet often, and yeah, their eyes are searching for you. Okay, also again I feel here that this person has closed their eyes. Okay, as if they have closed their eyes at you, that they are not searching for you, but definitely this card has turned up in a reading that their eyes are searching for you. So though they have closed their eyes towards you, that they are not searching for you, still they do have this one hope that anytime you guys cross your paths and you guys can catch up with each other, and they can meet you, they can see you. Okay, so that is what they feel. And yeah, so this is what is coming up for the reading. So let me know in the comments, how did you like this reading? Okay, so yeah, if you have liked this video, hit the like button. If you feel that this video can help somebody, do share this video with that person. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.